Animals and their home. Like we live in our home, similarly, animals also have their homes and shelters to live in. A dog lives in a kennel. A deer lives in a grassland. A lion lives in a den. A tiger lives in a den. A monkey lives in a trees. A horse lives in a stable. A bear lives in a cave. A camel lives in a desert. A cow lives in a shed. An elephant lives in a jungle. A frog lives in a pond, river, and lake. A rabbit lives in a burrow. A giraffe lives in a savanna. A lives in a bamboo forest. Fish lives in a water. Snake lives in a snake hole. A bird lives in a nest. A donkey lives in a stable. A spider lives in a web. A hen lives in a coop. An ant lives in an anthill. A duck lives in a pond. Bee lives in a beehive. A mouse lives in a hole. Crocodile lives in a pond. Owl lives in a tree. A cat lives in a cattery. Squirrel lives in a tree. Sheep lives in a pen. Subscribe for more videos.